Total gain, 3,729%, while keeping the drawdown as low as 13%. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're introducing a powerful and fully automated trading system called FXStabilizer EUR. Originally priced at $999, this AI is now available for just $20 exclusively on FXCrack. Time frames, H1 optimized for precise entries and smooth trade execution. Pairs gold, selected for reliable market behavior and strong trading opportunities. To get started, a minimum balance of $500 is required. Now let's review the EA's performance. It has achieved a solid total gain of 3,729%. While keeping the drawdown as low as 13%. The EA also maintains an impressive 65% win rate, reflecting strong trading accuracy. Next, let's open MetaTrader 4 and set up the EA. Within the Inputs tab, you can customize the settings based on your trading preferences. The EA is now fully set up and ready to trade. For complete details and download, visit our website FXCrack. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.